The world is unique. It is abundant in beauty. What do you need to know before going on the best adventure of your life? My advice is take a friend, one that is friendly and easygoing. Would you like to know more about the best airline in the heart of Eurasia? Great, let's explore together. Owned jointly by Kazakhstan's Samrik Kazna Sovereign Wealth Fund and the British company BAE Systems, Air Astana is the largest airline in Kazakhstan. Driven by a highly experienced international management team, it has grown into one of the most efficient airlines in the world. It flies to 43 destinations worldwide and has regularly been voted Central Asia's best airline in the Skytrax World Airline Awards.
The company was founded with minimal resources back in 2002. And since that time, we have been able to grow Air Astana into a major international airline and, of course, a key component of the transportation system for the Republic of Kazakhstan and also for Central Asia. We have done this from our own resources. We have never sought government aid or subsidies from our shareholders or any preferential treatment in any way, including during these last 2 difficult years of the coronavirus pandemic.
Air Astana offers award-winning levels of comfort and convenience from one of the world's most efficient airline platforms that has transformed domestic and international travel in the region.
I'm a pilot with Air Astana's Airbus 321 long-range fleet. I love this aircraft. My job is a very responsible one, but it's also a real pleasure. Air Astana owes its success to its people, and the company is proud to invest in them and help make their career dreams come true.
In 2008, Air Astana launched its Ab Initio pilot training program for its fleet. To date, about 300 aircrew have entered this program, with more than 200 now employed by the airline. Yes, the success of our children is a reason for parents to feel proud. These gentlemen and ladies take to the sky in Air Astana's fleet of modern aircraft. In fact, Air Astana is well known for its young professional people and its modern young fleet of aircraft. Air Astana operates a fleet of 36 aircraft with an average age of just 4.5 years. It continually invests in the quietest, greenest and most economical aircraft and recently added state-of-the-art Airbus A321 long range to its lineup. With a focus on safety and reliability, Air Astana carries out maintenance for its own fleet in its own hangars to the highest international standards and offers these services to other carriers in the region. In 2019, Air Astana launched Fly Aristan, the premier low-cost airline in Kazakhstan. The carrier has swiftly grown in popularity and now operates 44 routes, including 12 overseas destinations. Fly Aristan has brought air travel to a new, cost-conscious audience, making Kazakhstan the fastest growing domestic market in the world.
To the passengers, we are the face and the voice of the airline, but few people understand the rigorous selection and training program. As customer-facing professionals, we are tasked first and foremost with ensuring their safety, whether on a short flight or a long one, thanks to building our skills with some of the world's most advanced training platforms. But passengers, of course, see us first and foremost as responsible for their comfort.
I reckon it. Kazakhs are probably the most hospitable people I ever met. It's customary here. In fact, Air Astana is top rated for excellent service. In 2021, Air Astana flew about 7 million passengers, 80% more than the previous year. The company also offers fast and safe freight transportation services. In the last year, we have carried over 18,500 tons of freight.
Despite the COVID-19 pandemic, with the ensuing infection control measures and operational complications, our team has been generating constant growth. Our overall revenue has come to as high as $756 million US, with a net profit exceeding $36 million.
The COVID pandemic created a uniquely challenging environment for airlines. Yet our financial results for the last year showed that we not only rode the storm, but did so as one of the most profitable companies in the sector. What is the secret of our success?
And there's absolutely no doubt, in the case of Air Astana, it's this extraordinary cocktail of people that are all extraordinarily motivated and professional. There's a great deal of mutual trust and respect in Air Astana. And this is a great thing. We employ people right around the world, even in the dark and difficult days which we're facing at this particular point. All of our people, regardless of their personal beliefs, their nationality, all come together. We really are one airline, one team and one family.
The company's reputation continues onwards and upwards. About 500,000 passengers have joined the company's flagship Nomad Club program, which offers frequent flyers additional rewards and encourages them to fly with the airline. Air Astana is proud of its team of 5,500 colleagues. Together, they bring their skills, dedication and experience to a shared goal of creating the best airline for all our passengers, shareholders and employees.
Do you love travelling as much as we do? Can you take a breath and enjoy life? We are ready to share this feeling with you.
Air Astana, an idea, an airline, a lifestyle.